Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're my returning subscribers, thank you guys so much for the love and support on this channel. And if you're new here, hi, welcome. In this channel, I do DIY videos that can help you to grow your hair using natural ingredients. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to use Vaseline to moisturize your hair and to prevent hair breakage. To maximize its benefit, I'm going to be incorporating other natural herbs such as rosemary and amla powder. This recipe will keep your hair super moisturized for a very long time. So if you want to keep your hair super moisturized, stop hair breakage, thicken your hair, then I would suggest you should watch this video to the end so you don't miss any useful information. So if you're interested, you know what to do. Grab a seat and let's get into it. So the first ingredient I'm going to be using in today's video is rosemary. So I'm going to be making use of the dry rosemary. You can also use the fresh rosemary as well. So one thing I love about rosemary herbs is that you can easily find it in any of your local supermarket store, and it's super affordable as well. Rosemary can help to promote hair growth by stimulating hair follicles, improving blood circulation to the scalp, and potentially reducing dandruffs and hair loss. Scalp issues like dandruffs, itchy scalp, flaky scalp, and it will keep your scalp super healthy. Healthy scalp means healthy hair growth. So if you're having scalp issues, the first thing you want to do is focus on your scalp issues. So I would suggest you should definitely incorporate rosemary into your hair care routine if you want to see any hair growth coming through. The next ingredient that I'm going to be adding to this recipe is amla powder. So I don't know if you guys have tried amla powder before in your hair care routine, but if you guys haven't, what are you guys waiting for and where have you guys been? You definitely want to incorporate amla powder into your hair care routine today. Amla powder is packed with vitamin C and fattic acid. Those vitamins helps to promote healthy hair growth. So if you're looking to grow your hair super healthy, then I would suggest incorporate amla powder into your hair care routine. The next ingredient that I'm going to be adding to this recipe is peppermint leaves. So peppermint helps to increase blood circulation to the scalp, potentially stimulating hair follicles and encouraging thicker and stronger strands. It's amazing for scalp issues. It soothes the scalp and prevents hair breakage. Peppermint, it's also very easy to find at your local supermarket as well. I'm going to be adding 1 tablespoon of each ingredient. So all the ingredients you're using today all have similar properties, and they are amazing for scalp issues, and also they can help to strengthen your hair strands and also thicken your hair when you're consistent at applying this recipe to your hair. So when you incorporate all these ingredients together, it will help to maximize the benefit of Vaseline. So at this point, you can go ahead and add your chosen oil. In today's video, I'm going to be making use of olive oil. So as I mentioned before, you can add any oil of your choice. So guys, if you guys are still watching this video, thank you guys so much for the love and support. If you're new to this channel, hi. In this channel, I do DIY videos that can help you to grow your hair using natural ingredients. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel and these are the type of content you enjoy watching, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also, give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy watching. Also, don't forget to share this video to your loved ones and on your social media as well. So today's video, I'm going to be doing the double boiler method. So I'm going to allow it to sit in the boiling water for about 15 to 20 minutes. So after 20 minutes, this is how it's looking like. I'm going to allow it to cool down before I strain it out. So you can use whatever to strain it out, like cheesecloth, paper towel, basically any cloth that has a tiny hole. So the goal is not to allow any particles in the oil, because it's going to take you hours, in some cases days, just to remove it from your hair. So always make sure you use a cloth that has a very tiny hose. This recipe is very powerful. You just need to know the right way to use it. So make sure you're following all the steps so you can get all the benefit out of this recipe. So once I'm done straining, this is how it looks like. So I'm just going to move it aside and I'm going to move on to the next ingredient. So this is Vaseline, is also known as petroleum jelly. Vaseline has been overlooked when it comes to hair care, okay? There are so many ways in which you can incorporate Vaseline into your hair care routine, and this is one of them. If you incorporate Vaseline in a recipe like this one, it will help to keep your hair super moisturized for a very long time, and in return it will help to prevent hair breakage. It will strengthen your hair strands like crazy as well. I'm also going to go ahead and add 1 tablespoon of shea butter. Shea butter is also very good moisturizer when also used on your hair as well. It strengthens your hair strands, it moisturizes your hair like never before, and it also helps to prevent hair breakage. If your hair is moisturized, you would hardly experience hair breakage. So when put these two together, my God, it works amazing. So guys, keep on watching. I'm going to show you guys what I'm going to do next with this Vaseline and shea butter. Again, we're going to be using the double boiler method to melt these two ingredients, okay? So I took about 1 tablespoon of Vaseline and shea butter. Then I transfer the both ingredients into a bowl. Then I'm going to place the bowl in a hot water to melt both ingredients together. Once I'm done melting both ingredients together, this is how it's looking like. Now you can go ahead and add your essential oil. You can add any essential oil of your choice, okay? Essential oil also helps to treat your scalp, stimulates new hair growth, and also add fragrance to your oil as well. So basically it also helps to make your oil smells amazing as well. Like you can add lavender, tea tree, peppermint. The choice is yours. Add whatever essential oil of your choice. Once I'm done adding my essential oil, I went ahead and mixed everything together, and this is how it's looking like. Now I'm going to go ahead and mix the rosemary oil, the peppermint, and the alma oil with the melted Vaseline and shea butter. So once you're done mixing everything together, go ahead and place the bowl in the fridge until the oil is solid. So once the oil is solid, this is how it's looking like. So you can use it as a hair moisturizer. You can massage it to your scalp and your hair strand as well. So whenever you feel like your hair is super dry, you can apply it to your hair and your hair strand. So don't wash it out, leave it in. So you need to be consistent with the use in order to see amazing results. After first application, guys, you guys are going to be amazed and you're going to come back and thank me later. So guys, we have come to the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for the love and support. And if you're still watching to this point, you are amazing. Amazing. Thank you guys. And I will catch you guys in my next video. Thank you guys. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Bye guys. Bye.